Want to automatically execute trades in NinjaTrader based on alerts from a TradingView indicator without touching a single line of indicator code? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using the Nordman Connector step by step. Before we dive in, here's what we have open. NinjaTrader already launched and connected to your broker. TradingView open with the chart and indicator you want to trade. The indicator is already applied, and it generates buy and sell entry signals marked by labels directly on the chart. No source code access needed. No modifications to the indicator whatsoever. Step 1. Create the buy alert in TradingView. Open the Alerts panel in TradingView and click the plus button to create a new alert. In the condition drop-down, select your indicator. Below that, you'll see a list of its plots. Select the one that corresponds to the buy entry signal. Now set trigger to once per bar close. Set expiration to your preference or leave it as it is. Switch to the Notifications tab, enable the Webhook URL toggle, and paste in the Nordman Connector API endpoint URL. Step 2. Get the webhook message from the web panel. In the alert message field, start by naming this alert. I will use long, but you can use any other you like. Now, for the actual message body, head over to the Nordman Connector Web Panel. Here select NinjaTrader 8 as your platform. Then, Automatic Indicator and No Code Radio button, set up the name for the channel ID. It can be any name you like. I will set it to my channel. You'll see a pre-built code snippet for entry buy. Copy it and paste it directly into the TradingView alert message field. That's your buy alert fully configured. Hit create. Step 3. Repeat for the sell short alert. Go back to TradingView and create a second alert. Same process, but this time select the sell signal plot. In the web panel, copy the entry cell code snippet and paste it into the message field of this alert. You should now have 2 active alerts in TradingView, one for long entries, one for short entries. Step 4. Launch the NinjaTrader Receiver. Switch to NinjaTrader and open the Nordman Connector NT8 Receiver. Enter your license email, your public key found in the Nordman Connector Web Panel, and your channel ID. This is the same channel you link to when generating the alert codes in the web panel. It ensures the receiver listens to the right stream of alerts. Click Enabled and OK to activate the receiver. Step 5. Watch it work. Everything is now connected. The next time your TradingView indicator triggers a signal, the alert fires, the webhook delivers the message to Nordman Connector, and the trade is executed automatically in your NinjaTrader terminal. That's the full setup. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below or check the links in the description.